Hello everyone, Kayla here, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys my regular length check video. I typically do these about 6 months apart, but I will tell you that for today I only have 3 months worth of hair growth. Not impressive, I know, but what you will see is a full healthy 1 inch of hair growth, and that is with a 1/2 inch trim. In January I actually trimmed a 1/2 inch off of every single one of my twists just for the sake of having a clean slate, of having every single twist trimmed. An update from that period of time is that I have completely stopped taking my biotin burst. There's no rhyme or reason for it. I've also started getting to the bottom of my MSM powder. Once it's gone, it's gone. I'm not really trying to make an effort to continue my vitamin regimen. Like I said before, there's really not a reason for it. I'm just gonna continue to take a regular vitamin. I tried to start the hair growth methods again. I said that I would get back on them, and I have failed. I just can't be bothered to do any of them. I think what it is that my hair is long again, and it's kind of like, well, what am I doing this for? It's not like when I cut my hair short and I was kind of almost alarmed because my hair was short. So this is probably one of the shortest length checks / updates that you guys are ever going to get from me. But I do want to ask you guys a question, so I'm going to put a poll in this video, and I've already put the poll on my Facebook group, but I would like to know, what length of video do you all find the best for the videos that are on my channel? I think the choices are going to be from 3 minutes or less, 5 minutes or less, 10 minutes or less, or make the videos however long you want to make them. So definitely make sure that you vote in the poll so I can have a better idea of how to make videos that fit into your lifestyle and that are best for you. And if you're on the Facebook group, go ahead and vote over there as well. And if you aren't on the Facebook group, go ahead and get on the Facebook group. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys tune into the next one. Thank you so much for watching.